She's on.
Welcome to Every Dull Moment. My dog is thirsty. Glad to have her on the show. Huh?
Only because we're filming.
Oh, right, and I'm glad to have you on the show. We're giving away a knife. How about that? It's kind of cool. 3 years in the making for this. Finally got around to it. Tsunehisa knives. They're pretty nice. Thank you, Ryan Swanson. We visited Ryan Swanson, District Cutlery, a couple of years ago. He was very nice and supportive of the show. Never got around to giving away that knife he gave us, so today's your lucky day. So let's talk about Tsunehisa knives. There's not a lot to say. Tosa, Japan. Sometimes out of Sakai, depending on where you read. But according to KnifeWare and several other websites, currently out of Tosa. So, Tsunehisa knives makes a super affordable knife. And I'll tell you what, they're extremely sharp. I love the knives themselves. We've got a Kiritsuke 210mm red pakkawood handle knife. This one's particularly sharp because Ryan Swanson sharpened it before we left. So it's not even going to be factory sharp. It's going to be Ryan Swanson sharp. And we're going to find out, how does a blade hold up in a box never used for 3 years after Ryan Swanson got a hold of it. So I'm sure it's kept its edge. And for your sake, stay tuned, because we're going to be giving away this knife on Instagram. That's right. If you're subscribing to our Instagram and District Cutlery, if you're also subscribing to Ryan Swanson's YouTube channel and ours, we're going to figure out how to do this. But we're going to make it that we need to be able to find you as a subscriber. But really the goal isn't even for us. The goal is for Ryan Swanson. You know, he went out there and he took the time to teach us, and he actually started a YouTube channel as well. So we want to give a lot of props to Ryan for taking the time to teach us, and we hope to go back and visit him one day. But anyway, this knife is a beautiful knife, the high performance, and that's what you'll see on every website. This knife is a very affordable. This knife in particular only sells for $169 on District Cutlery, and their average knives are anywhere from $144 to below $200. Usually you're going to see a Tachimi kind of a finish. You're going to see a Kuriichi finish. But these people work with every type of steel there is. I mean, we're seeing the AUS 10, the AUS 8. We're seeing the Nami Damascus. We're seeing VG10. We're seeing the AS. We're seeing Jinsan. I mean, they work with everything. So they make a highly affordable line. Now, according to Tokushu Knife, supposedly, I don't know if all and or some of these knives are actually supposed to be a brand that falls under Shibata Takayuki. So that would be interesting to know, because Shibata's knives themselves aren't cheap. But I'm glad to see he might have his hands in some more of this. And so I'm going to be putting links to a lot of people on here, so you can check out the ones on Tokushu Knife as well as District Cutlery. But we definitely are excited to give this to you. And I'm going to tell you what, when you see this knife and you see the performance of this knife, I hope you think, wow, I really want to get a Japanese knife. I want something that looks and feels and performs like a Japanese knife, and I don't have a lot of money to get into it. So this would be a great starting point for you. So we're going to open this knife. My dog wants to be on the show. She's feeling playful. Hold on, Jose.
The princess is, every time we start.
So it was packaged great. We have this beautiful 210mm Kiritsuke. Look at that, the way he sent it to us. Still, you know, packaged perfectly, no patina whatsoever. It's got a good weight to it, honestly. Oh, sorry.
Move, man. Slow your roll.
In a weird way, I hate to give away this knife, because I mean, it's something I could see that if I didn't have all the knives that I have, this would be one to keep. It's a really good length at 210mm. It's got all the bells and whistles as far as the hammer marks, the blacksmith finish. It's got the shiny red pocketwood handle. It's actually, the fit and finish is really smooth. $169 is just a steal. Super blue steel. I mean, you've got the advantages of super blue, and it really is rust resistant. I found that my super blue, I haven't ever really had to be in a hurry to wipe it down. Let's go ahead and take a look at how thin this knife is. It's the same thickness all the way down. No distal taper whatsoever. Maybe just, you know, getting towards the edge, but I mean, that's what you expect as the knife itself, you know, gets grind down. The grind itself is beautifully clean. There we go. All right. So, again, as per usual, we like to see how sharp things are. So, again, this isn't going to be Tsunehisa factory sharp. Ryan does that extra step when you invest in a knife. You make sure that he sends it out. He makes sure, if you order from him, that the edge is going to be really nice. So, let's go ahead and do a quick test on the knife to see like what we got.
If you heard a muffle or a weird noise, I'm sorry. Okay.
So we got a nice 139. Let's do another quick test. It was really great visiting Ryan. We learned a lot about belt sanders since then. We have gotten one. In case you haven't seen us using some clips, we got some more episodes coming up with the belt sander, doing some fun things. Okay, let's get a quick look at another score. Let's go something a little further up.
Pretty
consistent. Yep, sub 150. Nice to hear. Let's see what that translates to towards the sound. We like to call it the sound of sharp.
Or the silence of sharp.
Oh, this is one of those thicker
That's
magazines.
what I was saying. That's
these pages back here are a little bit different, so we'll see.
It does seem pretty thick though. Whoa.
I like to test different parts, like catching the heel.
But I do that paper's
the
thicker.
tip. Yep.
Oh, it's totally sharp.
Yeah, I mean, absolutely. Let's do a little curvature. Let's do a little paper towel.
That works.
Again, like, can we ever figure out, should it be like curved away or towards?
Ah, that just makes me think you're going to cut your fingers because you can't see it.
Well, that's the thing is like, you know.
When it's curved away, I feel like you can't really see.
Yeah, let's do, so like if I do like this, I like to kind of like, because it bites into.
Mm-hmm. The first one was better, but anyway.
Okay, should we try a blueberry?
I don't know why we're cutting food, but okay.
Okay, let's cut food.
Well, there you go, folks. Whoever gets this knife will. I don't know. I mean, it's the blueberry's not sticking to the board.
You're right.
He's a naughty blueberry. I mean, it's cutting it.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, great. Great.
I hear you, honey. People like watching blueberries get sliced thin.
Yeah, but I don't like hearing it hit the cutting board.
There, you didn't have to hear it that time, okay?
There, yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Let's try to make sure we don't get too much of a patina on this beautiful knife for its new owner.
We will wash it since you cut it.
Yeah, we will make sure, and I'll throw a little packing oil on there to make sure it packs nice. Okay, I promise that I'll do that. Okay, so first of all, we want to take a moment to thank Ryan Swanson. Honestly, we learned more than you could possibly know, and the knowledge that you gave us continues to evolve, and we're looking forward to doing more. We appreciate the sponsorship. Ryan was one of the very first one, along with Tara, Scott Gunn, the guys over at Tokushu Knife. We appreciate them very much. Everybody's been really nice to the show, so we're glad that we can give back. We did cross 10,000 subscribers, and so it's an important milestone, trying to get to where we're going. We're hoping that this giveaway to you will continue to tell you that we're thankful, and you guys will go out and so get more people to subscribe, share our videos with other people, like content, tell their algorithm that we like these guys, do nice things for them. We want to congratulate whoever's going to be the winner of this knife. It's a great knife. High performance, Western handle, convenient feel. Again, the fit and finish on this is amazing. So again, congratulations to whoever won.
Follow,
this was definitely,
subscribe.
Yeah, follow, subscribe, tell a friend, show it to your grandmother. It's all good. Appreciate you guys once again. Look for us Friday nights at 8 o'clock. And again, congratulations to the lucky winner. We'll have the instructions on how to win this knife on our Instagram. And we'll have a link in our description, how you can find us. And don't forget, all of our social is on the front page of our channel. Thanks,
and we'll
guys.
Give you Ryan's too.
And we'll make sure you guys get it. They'll be, again, the rules will be on there. But again, thanks, Ryan.